If you're planning a hiking trip, you probably want to make sure that you have the best possible experience. Hiking can be a great way to get exercise, enjoy nature, and spend time with friends and family. However, it's important to prepare properly and take necessary precautions to ensure your safety and comfort. In this video, we'll share the top 10 essential tips for a safe and fun hiking trip, as well as the best places to go hiking and things people often overlook when preparing for a hike. One of the most important things you can do when preparing for a hiking trip is to plan ahead and research your hiking destination. This includes checking the weather forecast, understanding the terrain and difficulty level of the trail, and identifying any potential hazards or risks. Doing so will help you prepare for any challenges you may face along the way and ensure that you're adequately equipped. Pack the essentials. When it comes to hiking, packing the right essentials can make all the difference. This includes items such as a first aid kit, a map and compass, extra food and water, and appropriate clothing and footwear. You should also consider packing sunscreen, insect repellent, and a whistle in case of emergency. Invest in good hiking gear. Investing in good hiking gear is essential for a safe and enjoyable hiking trip. This includes items such as hiking boots, a backpack, a sleeping bag, and a tent. You should also consider investing in a good quality hiking GPS and trekking poles for added stability. When embarking on a hiking trip, it's important to start slowly and pace yourself. This will help you conserve energy and avoid burnout or injury. If you're new to hiking, consider starting with shorter hikes and gradually building up to longer or more difficult trails. Staying hydrated and nourished is key to a safe and enjoyable hiking trip. Make sure to bring plenty of water and snacks to keep you fueled and energized throughout the hike. Leave no trace. When hiking, it's important to respect the environment and leave no trace. This means packing out all trash and minimizing your impact on the natural surroundings. You should also stick to designated trails and avoid disturbing wildlife or vegetation. Know your limits and be prepared to turn back. Knowing your limits and being prepared to turn back is crucial for a safe hiking trip. If you're feeling fatigued or overwhelmed, it's important to listen to your body and turn back before it's too late. Bring a friend or hiking partner. Bringing a friend or hiking partner can make your hiking trip more enjoyable and safe. Having someone else to share the experience with can also help you stay motivated and focused. Learn basic wilderness skills. Learning basic wilderness skills can help you prepare for unexpected situations and emergencies. This includes skills such as building a fire, reading a map and compass, and identifying edible plants. Some hiking destinations require permits, and there may be certain regulations that you need to follow to protect the environment and ensure the safety of all hikers. Check with the appropriate authorities to see if you need a permit or if there are any regulations you need to be aware of before embarking on your hike. This will help ensure that you're following the rules and that you have all the necessary paperwork before you begin your adventure. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. For additional information, please see the description below for destinations and hiking gear.